Alright.
Introduce
Hi.
us.
No introductions. Everyone knows who we are by now because this
No.
is clearly
It's like
the
the second
7 millionth
recording.
video.
Hi everybody, welcome to Salt and Batteries. This is Monster Rancher Battle Card. Today with me, but I'm not the one playing.
Shoutouts to Pichu for just hijacking the intro.
Yeah,
I mean,
thanks.
Sedron wasn't gonna do it.
I was clearly going to do it. You don't even
Sedron
know.
had a thing going and Pichu just fucking derailed it.
Because I didn't...
Alright, so let's all make sure that we're all introducing ourselves, because that's an idea I'm coming up with on my own. I'm Sedron, I'm gonna play this video game, it's really good. Joining me today is a stupid load of bungus,
That's me, Pichu, the bungus load.
and two other people.
I'm also a episode.
Their names are Kuupa and Spicey in this case. A lot of people don't know about this game, that's because a lot of people don't know about it. It's not bad, you shut your mouth. We're gonna make a new game. Are we gonna be a boy or a girl?
Let's be a girl this time.
Oh, she still has the slug bottom.
Okay, good. I was really hoping.
Yeah. If we
we
didn't
played
have the
this
slug
game.
bottom, we'd have
Wait,
played
I
this
just
game
noticed
for a
that if you let them turn to the side, they just stay that way when you leave them.
I'm glad.
I don't know if that's like an on-purpose thing.
I don't know, but I'm glad it exists. Anyway, we played this game for a bit the other night and decided to go ahead with it.
Alf.
Notice that we have some slug butt. We have some.
I
slug
do kind of like Alf, to be
Yeah,
honest.
Alf is.
How many
Alf
letters do I get?
butt. Ooh, please just make the name Ooh.
Alright, so we got 8 characters.
Hold on. So
Yeah, all
let's
of
name
them.
him.
Alf.
Ooh.
Ooh.
I agree.
Oh. Yes.
Oh, woo!
Okay. Hello. I'm Carlin. I help you all.
I help you all.
Card breeders.
Card.
Now you're.
Uh-huh.
Oh, a new card breeder. Aren't you?
Sounds like shit.
First, I'll ask a few simple questions. Here goes. Alright, so the way this whole deal works, there's 3 different teams we can get, depending on how we answer the questions. I don't want the one we got last time.
Was it that bad?
No,
It's
but
not
I like
that it
the
was
suck-
bad, but there's a different one that I usually like getting. I've actually played this game a few times.
Yeah,
And
did
this
you have
over-
this game when you were a kid?
Yeah, I had it when I was little.
Yeah, okay,
Kinda
the rest of us
overstrength.
have never seen this.
No.
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 No. Wanna go up
Oh.
quick?
No.
Sure. I'm good at mimicking? Sure.
I'm
you
good at
love-
mimicking.
Those are all things I said.
Hang on a minute, Russell.
Sorry about
Russell.
Never
Sorry
It's
about
on the
that.
forceful
2
side?
seconds.
Okay, cool. We got the one I
Oh, so we
want.
got the hyper offense team.
We got the powerful team. Taking the
Powerful.
powerful
Taking
team.
the powerful team.
Taking the
Plus a
powerful
team box to carry your team in. You're now registered. Fight hard and become a top class card breeder.
So
And
can,
also-
we meet our team real quick?
How do
Because
you?
I got to meet the last one. But,
How do you
no,
beat
he's gonna
Mark?
walk by ya.
We're gonna meet the team, but the game wants us to talk to a few more people first.
Do.
Now we're both card readers. Yep, have
And
you learned
you
all
are?
the battle card rules? Let's learn them together. No.
Okay.
I'll
Nice.
go over the rules a little bit, but like
It's
I don't
weird
wanna-
and confusing.
it's not that confusing. Maybe I'm only saying that because I've been playing this game for like forever. Like since I was like 8 or something.
This series didn't really catch on, did it?
Monster Rancher used to be a thing. Like
Oh,
the
it's
card
you.
game's different.
Ooh.
Oh, it's ooh. I see. So you're a card breeder now. You've grown up,
Oh, is that our dad?
I guess. I
Why-
shouldn't worry, I know.
Why
But
do we
if you
call our
keep
dad by
losing-
his first name?
I don't know. You show him now. Okay. So now we can actually look at our team.
What
So
I
this
want to
time
know
we
is why
have-
our dad has a blue mustache.
It's a mystery. This is Golem.
It's a mystery.
Oh
console.
shit, we
it's
already got
Golem.
Golem.
Powerful with great
We didn't
moves.
even have to get Geodude first.
He's mainly why I wanted this team because he kind of wrecks house.
Yeah,
I mean, they just
was
just
kind of
straight up
destroying you last time we played.
they just straight up called him good. They just said powerful with good moves.
Here's
oh, and we got
Pixie.
Pixie.
Oh, nice.
Good at smart skills.
It's the waifu material. Good at
As
smart.
opposed
Wait,
to
what does that
stupid
mean?
skills.
You have physical and smart skills. It's kind of like special attacks, I guess.
Oh, I see.
Our main
Smart.
strategy with her is we're gonna try to get a bunch of copies of Thunder and Bolt and just Thunderbolt everything. For that matter, can we just like... Oh, it can't have more than 3 copies of something in the deck. Okay. That's good to know. But I want
I
more
get
bolts in there. And then we got this dude, Naga.
Naga.
Oh,
Oh,
jeez.
it's just Golem, but also a
He's
snake.
eerie.
Eerie with versatile attack.
Versatile attack.
Material with versatile attack.
Actually, is there anything I can, like... You know what, I'll just play with what I have for now, and, like, between episodes,
glad we have-
I'll edit stuff.
What are your shoes? Why do you
Yeah,
have
they're
fit
fit shoes.
Oh, I have fish shoes, yeah. You can get better shoes.
Okay.
I hope
You
you,
lucky
I hope
thing.
you keep your slug bug.
Ugh.
Ruins
Well,
discs,
what
I
if-
want to go.
Wait, you don't have a nose.
Noses
Don't worry
are
about
for card breeders.
Oh,
I love
Only-
sleeping and dusting too. Oh, it's great to be busy.
Why are
Wow.
wait,
Yeah.
dad's in
Real
card.
progressive.
Wait, what? I missed it.
Basically, our mom is just like stereotypical housewife and is super happy with her place. I don't even know what she's sweeping and dusting. This one corner is like not that dusty.
sweeping.
You
I
know,
mean,
let's-
she
it's
could at
hard to
least
tell
be
with the
dusting the-
resolution.
Well, I guess maybe not the
Also, I
wood.
like
Right.
how Spicey implied that dads and card breeders are like mutually exclusive.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
no, our dad has his own cards. Something
Well,
fell
that
off.
is like a level.
Oh, it's a mural piece.
I got a mural piece. It flew away. Clicking sound.
What?
So
What?
I kind of implied there's like 9 monsters because there's 3 to each team you can get at the beginning. But there's a
Okay.
10th one that you can get if you get a whole bunch of cards and find all these dumb mural pieces everywhere. Don't sit too close to the TV. So I
Wait,
look
there's
around
my
at
dad.
stuff.
Wait.
You get
There's
radiation poisoning.
only
There's-
10 things in this whole game.
Kind
Well,
of, but
there's a
not
girl.
really. There's a bunch of other monsters we can get, but they're fusions of monsters that you can start the game with.
I'm not even just referring to what you can get, like in the whole game.
You'll see as we go through.
That's not promising.
Honestly, the game doesn't need that much more. This bed's always
Oh,
soft.
okay.
Great. You guys ready for our grades?
Nope. Great
Oh.
so far.
You-
Oh, ow,
You know what's awesome? If your name isn't that long, it doesn't actually put your name closer to the apostrophe. It just leaves a giant space in the middle.
Good.
One of the things that I find most endearing about this game is that the translation's nonsense, and they just released it like this. Like, is it
Yeah,
you that
no,
says
it's-
nonsense? So you must be a card reader, shaping up your team? You should when cards come.
You should
Make it strong and impressive. I'll teach you the ropes.
I mean,
Okay.
it's not that. I mean, in that person's case, it wasn't even grammatically incorrect. It was just extremely stilted.
He didn't even show us the ropes.
You didn't.
Monster Bones,
You
maybe?
He lied.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Mega
Monster
Rock?
Mega Rock.
Oh, it's the big rock.
You know. Mega Rock.
Pleased to meet you, everyone. This notice board's for all your battle card questions. Kaihatsu Suganuma. It's the Tecmo website. Oh boy.
Oh wow.
It's a good
Tecmo.
Let's-
That's a big pack.
oh. Surely not.
Wow.
Hear that clink?
Nope.
It's okay, there's no actual clink noise in the game either.
Really?
There's like a
Good.
little like item found noise and it's like but like that's
It's
It's
it.
not a clean.
I'm wondering if, like, the fact that it says clinking noise differently every time is a translation error or intended.
Different every time.
Oh no.
Alright, we're just gonna look for some more mural pieces real quick. Get it
Don't
out
worry.
of the way.
It was actually growing on the plant.
Here's Suzo.
It was.
He wants
I like
something. We don't have milk stuff yet though.
Is it actually called milk stuff?
Yeah. Also, we're gonna talk to this guy later. He lets you trade items for cards. And later on
cool.
we'll get a lot of items that I don't care about. Oh wait, also, when you walk out, your arms aren't.
Oh. Good.
Oh, okay.
Your
Also-
arms are-
If anyone's paying attention to the time we've been recording, and you're like, oh hey, maybe the episode's near over, you can let me know, because I'm not paying attention.
Oh shit! I didn't turn on the timer.
Good job.
Wait,
Oops.
what is that?
I
What is that
forgot
thing
again.
next to the chair? Oh,
It's Mochi.
Oh.
It wants something. Look at dumb Mochi's
Yeah?
little faces.
I thought it was like a bag of luggage.
That is clearly an up escalator.
Oh, a
It's
pedal.
plane.
Huh?
A pedaling.
Good job,
Waits?
Waits.
Why is his name?
Yeah.
Wait, why is his name Waits?
I don't know. There's a river.
No, there isn't.
Wow, no.
There's a
that's-
bridge.
Oh, is that how you raise Mochi?
Yeah, you clink.
Mochi's got a sick
minerals.
mullet going on.
Step 1, put Mochi next to chair. That's it. Lots of coins in the water. Oh,
Can't
I
we
think
get
you
some-
can. I think you can get coins that you throw in there. Did I go in here yet? No, this is where
I
they're learning how to play
think-
cards.
Do 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 do. Why are they doing that when they can just play cards?
See, weird thing about this game, so the monsters do actually exist. And the card thing was made as like an alternative for kids because raising monsters is not good for kids to do.
Oh.
But like everyone takes it so seriously. And it's even worse than like a game like Yu-Gi-Oh or something because there's literally a church for cards.
Great.
Yep.
Wow.
My yacht can't play fool with.
Something drop.
Clinks.
So was this like, did they take inspiration from the Pokemon trading card game or something? Like the Game Boy one?
I don't know.
Like when did they come out one next to one another? I'm curious. I should look. I'm gonna Google.
This was what, 99 2000 it said?
Yeah, I think that's what
Really?
it said.
Oh yeah, we didn't point out that there was like a patent number on the title screen.
Yeah. We gotta be quiet while we're in church.
This church is patented.
Oh, yeah,
They're
you're right.
they're literally praying for cards. Also, here's the mural so
Oh,
far.
Jesus.
It just looks like glitch nonsense.
Because
So is that like Big Happy Sun Face? Is that what we get if we get all the mural pieces?
No, we actually get. I won't spoil it actually.
Damn
Oh,
it.
okay.
Say it.
Not that anyone cares.
I don't even know if we're gonna finish this game. So.
I care very deeply
I
about
mean,
this game.
as long as
Cool.
the footage is like reasonable
Right.
and usable, then like yeah, I will play through this entire game as I have done many times.
Also, that Game Boy is the size of your entire body and bigger.
But it is cool.
Yeah, I mean, yes, I'm not disagreeing with you, but it's almost like more scary than cool.
Hang on.
Nox,
Oh,
Darn it,
you
man.
gotta talk to Fort Knox.
you walk fast, don't you?
I was standing still. My brother, that's incorrect grammar, so don't even do that. Not for 2 weeks.
Whoa.
He's probably dead.
It's been 2 weeks and he's been like, yeah, it's fine.
It's like maybe I
Only
should
kids
go
can
look
enter the
for
ruins.
that.
That's the other thing, there's like actual ruins
Huh?
and only children are allowed inside for some reason.
But wait,
So what?
Yeah.
but I thought only but I thought the kids couldn't use the monsters.
But these aren't ruins for monsters, they're ruins for cards.
Yeah.
Also,
Uh-huh.
now we have to go back to the computer we already looked at that had a dumb Tecmo thing on it. And this tells us where he is. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. I'm going to the ruins. Probably France, but don't look for me unless
Wait,
2 weeks pass. Then you might want to look. I guess I'll be in basement 2 or 3 cocks. Oh yeah, so they're the brothers Knox and Cox. Those are their names.
Nox is just like, oh well, 2 weeks is up. Better go find the nearest
Uh-huh.
toddler.
I can't believe he specified. If I'm gone in the ruins for 2 weeks, yeah, probably come look for me. I'll be in the same spot.
Were you aware that my class is toddler?
What?
Yeah,
Oh.
I saw it on the
Okay.
CLS. Wait, what's CLS toddler mean? This is
I'm-
like military information.
My class is toddler.
Yeah, you know, the military.
Do you get to
toddler.
upgrade to young adult?
Alright, so, no. I
Like,
think you get,
actually
like,
age of-
gold and silver and bronze and stuff. I don't remember, though. So, right now we have Frant Ruins, Sakai Ruins, and Tori Ruins open.
Well,
We're
he
gonna
didn't say
start...
Japan,
We're gonna start with France. Hey, Holly.
as he is wont to do.
I don't remember what Holly does, aside from that. And here's
Aside from
Loker.
run away from you. My Loker.
What a looker.
No physical
I
battles
think
allowed.
that's.
Use
I think it
cards
was.
only.
I think he was supposed to be called Looker, but he's just Loker.
There's one of these guys in the church that's called Roker.
Good.
Alright, so maybe this is where we want to stop the recording and do video 2?
This
Sure.
is. It hasn't been that long.
Yeah, but we're entering a Ruins? I don't know.
It's called
Okay,
a
well, I guess it's
cliffhanger.
I guess it's just gonna be a short video then.
I don't know how long it's been, literally.
Yeah, well,
it's
next
been
time I'm
20
gonna
minutes
start
since
the
the call
timer.
started, so...
Well, we didn't start for a while. Anyway, you want to take us away?
Take us away to where?
Next time on Salt and Batteries, maybe Sedron will learn how to host a video.
Probably
No,
not.
Please just end it at take us away to where.
I might.